If you have the capability to check your toe in prior to starting, you should do so first. We used the Steinjager DIY alignment plates, and there's a link in the description. Start by taking off the steering stabilizer. Steinjager sells an adapter if you are reusing your stabilizer. Also a link in the description. Remove both nuts holding the tie rod and remove the tie rod. Remove both nuts holding the drag link and remove the drag link. Next, you will need to drill the spindles and pitman arm to accommodate a 3/4 inch bolt. We used a step bit, but you can use normal drill bits or a reamer. With the drag link on the bench, measure the center to center length to get a good starting point. Install the drag link with the nuts on top. Also, make sure the cone side of the washers are facing the rod end. Install the tie rod following the same process. With everything locked down and tight, check your alignment and adjust as necessary, or have an alignment shop do it for you. Be sure to check out our frequently asked questions video to answer some of the common questions.
For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.